Almost 90% of car owners have a can of WD-40 sitting in their garage right now, and most of them are only using it to stop a squeaky door hinge. That's like buying a Toyota Supra and only ever driving it to the grocery store. Millions of drivers have no idea this $5 can can stop rust before it eats through your brake lines, save your battery from a $200 replacement, and even get you out of a flat tire on the side of the road. One trick alone can save you from a $400 trip to the mechanic just to loosen a rusted bolt. Here's 12 WD-40 tricks you 100% need to know before your next repair bill shows up. Let's begin now with trick number 12. Trick number 12, freeing a rusted brake caliper bolt. You're doing a brake job in your driveway, and that caliper bolt just will not budge. You're cranking on it with everything you've got, and you're one slip away from stripping the bolt head completely. But here's what they don't tell you. Rust forms an oxide layer between the metal threads, basically welding the bolt in place at a microscopic level. Spray WD-40 directly on the bolt, let it sit for 10 minutes, then hit it again and give it another 5 minutes. The solvents in WD-40 creep into those tiny gaps and break down the rust bond. Now your bolt breaks free with a regular wrench instead of an impact gun. Here's the kicker. Skipping this step and stripping that bolt can mean a trip to the shop that costs $150 to $300 just for bolt extraction, on top of the brake job you were already doing yourself to save money. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save your battery terminals from corroding into a $200 replacement. Trick number 11, cleaning corroded battery terminals. You go to start your car and get nothing but a click. You pop the hood and see white, crusty buildup all over your battery terminals. That crust is corrosion, and it's blocking the electrical connection between your battery and your car. Here's how it actually works. First, disconnect the negative cable, then the positive. Spray WD-40 directly onto the corroded areas and let it sit for a couple of minutes. WD-40 dissolves that buildup and displaces the moisture that caused it in the first place. Scrub with an old toothbrush, wipe clean, then reconnect positive first, negative last. A quick spray of WD-40 on the clean terminals afterward adds a protective layer against future corrosion. Here's what makes this even better. A new battery runs you $100 to $200, but corroded terminals often get misdiagnosed as a dead battery. This 5-minute fix with a $2 can of WD-40 can save you from buying a battery you didn't even need. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth turned into money saver. Trick number 10, freeing a stuck thermostat housing bolt or exhaust bolt. Rusted exhaust bolts are one of the most common reasons DIY repairs turn into all-day nightmares. You go to swap a muffler or catalytic converter, and the bolts holding it on have basically fused with rust after years of heat and road salt. Here's the deal. Spray WD-40 on the bolt threads, then use a heat gun or torch nearby for a few seconds if you have one, since heat combined with the penetrating oil works even faster. Let it sit 10 to 15 minutes, then apply steady pressure with a breaker bar instead of jerking on it. The gradual force paired with the loosened rust lets the bolt turn without snapping. But here's the kicker. A snapped exhaust bolt often means drilling it out or cutting the pipe entirely, which can turn a $50 DIY job into a $300 to $500 shop repair. Trust me, this next one will shock you, especially if you drive in a cold climate. Trick number 9, unfreezing a frozen door lock or latch in winter. It's 15 degrees out, you're already running late, and your car door is frozen shut. Yanking on the handle risks snapping the latch mechanism completely. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 has a low freezing point and displaces the moisture that turned to ice inside your lock cylinder or door latch. Spray a small amount directly into the keyhole or around the door seal, wait 30 seconds, and the ice melts enough for the mechanism to move freely again. Many drivers keep a travel-size can in their glove box specifically for this. Here's what makes this even better. A cracked door latch from forcing a frozen door can cost $150 to $250 to replace. And that's not counting the tow if you're stuck outside your own car in freezing weather. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem, because it deals with one of the most annoying noises in any car. Trick number 8, silencing squeaky suspension components. Every time you hit a bump, your car sounds like a rusty shopping cart. That noise usually comes from dry rubber bushings or strut mounts rubbing against metal without any lubrication left. WD-40 penetrates into those tight spaces and temporarily quiets the friction. Spray it directly onto the strut mount area and any accessible suspension bushings, then wipe away the excess so it doesn't attract dirt. Here's the kicker. This isn't a permanent fix since WD-40 evaporates over time, but it buys you weeks of quiet driving while you save up for the real repair. A full strut replacement runs $300 to $600 per side at a shop, so quieting the squeak yourself means you're not rushed into that bill before you're financially ready. Now, for a secret trick that helps with one of the scariest situations you can have on the road. Trick number 7, breaking a rust seal on a stuck wheel. You get a flat tire, pull off the spare, and the wheel simply will not come off the hub. This happens constantly on older vehicles where rust builds up between the wheel and the hub face over years of driving through rain and road salt. Spray WD-40 generously into the gap between the wheel and hub, then give the tire a few solid kicks near the lug area while wiggling it side to side. The penetrating oil breaks the rust bond, holding the metal surfaces together. Here's the kicker. Without this trick, some drivers end up calling a tow truck just to deal with a stuck wheel, which runs $75 to $150 for a simple service call that you could have handled yourself in the breakdown lane with a $5 can. If you made it here, we'd appreciate you liking the video. It helps us make more car tips videos like this one. Trick number 6, cleaning and protecting throttle body and butterfly valve. Your idle feels rough, or your car hesitates when you press the gas. Carbon buildup on the throttle body's butterfly valve restricts smooth airflow into your engine. While WD-40 isn't a dedicated throttle body cleaner, spraying it onto a rag first and wiping down the visible carbon deposits around the throttle plate can loosen light buildup between deeper cleanings. Here's what they don't tell you. This is a maintenance step, not a deep clean, so pair it with an actual throttle body cleaner every 20,000 to 30,000 miles for full results. Here's the kicker. Ignoring a dirty throttle body long enough can trigger a rough idle diagnosis at the shop that costs $100 to $150 just in labor for a problem you could keep at bay yourself with 2 minutes of wiping. But wait, if that trick surprised you, this next one deals with something almost every driver ignores until it's too late. Trick number 5. Protecting exposed metal on your car's frame and undercarriage. Road salt in the winter and moisture year-round slowly eat away at exposed metal on your frame, especially around wheel wells and the underbody. Once rust starts, it spreads, and by the time you notice a hole, structural rust repair can run into the thousands. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 forms a light protective barrier that displaces moisture and slows oxidation on exposed metal surfaces. Apply it to visible frame rust spots, exhaust hangers, and undercarriage brackets a few times a year, especially after winter driving. Here's the kicker. Full frame rust repair, when it gets bad enough, can cost $1,500 to $4,000 depending on the vehicle, and in some cases, the car gets totaled by the insurance company because the repair costs more than the car is worth. You'd be very much surprised by this next one, because it fixes a problem most people think needs a full part replacement. Trick number 4. Freeing a stuck convertible top or sunroof track. Your sunroof or convertible top starts grinding, sticking, or moving unevenly along its track. Dirt and old, dried-up factory lubricant build up inside the track channel over years of use. Spray WD-40 directly along the visible track and run the sunroof or top through its full motion a few times to work the lubricant in. Here's what they don't tell you. This dissolves the old gunk and re-lubricates the track surface so the motor doesn't have to strain against the friction. Here's the kicker. A sunroof motor that burns out from straining against a dirty track costs $300 to $600 to replace when a 2-minute spray could have kept it running smooth for years longer. Trust me, this next one will shock you because it's one of the most common electrical headaches in older cars. Trick number 3. Restoring dim or flickering headlight and taillight connectors. Your headlight flickers or dims randomly, especially over bumps, and you assume the bulb is dying. Often, the real problem is corrosion or oxidation building up inside the electrical connector plug behind the bulb. Disconnect the connector, spray a small burst of WD-40 into the connector housing, and plug and unplug it a few times to work the spray into the contacts. Here's how it actually works. WD-40 displaces moisture and breaks down light oxidation on the metal contacts, restoring a cleaner electrical connection. Here's the kicker. Drivers who skip this and replace the bulb instead often find the flickering comes right back, then end up paying a shop $80 to $120 just to diagnose what a $2 fix would have solved. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem, because it saves you from a repair almost nobody thinks to try themselves. Trick number 2, sealing a slow leak at the tire bead. Your tire keeps losing pressure over a week or two, but you can't find a puncture anywhere. Often, the leak is happening at the bead, the seal where the tire meets the wheel rim, especially on older aluminum wheels with light corrosion. Spraying WD-40 around the bead while the tire is inflated can temporarily reveal the leak through bubbling, and lightly coating the bead area during a tire change helps the rubber seat more evenly against the rim. Here's what makes this even better. Finding a bead leak yourself means you avoid a diagnostic fee, and a shop visit just to track down a slow leak like this typically runs $30 to $60, even before any actual repair. And now, the biggest one, the trick that can save you the most money of everything on this list. Trick number 1, preventing a stuck brake caliper slide pin. This is the one that gets the most drivers, because a seized caliper slide pin doesn't just cause a squeak, it causes your brake pad to wear unevenly on one side, sometimes down to metal, while the other side still has plenty of pad left. Here's what they don't tell you. Those slide pins are supposed to move freely so the caliper can center itself on the rotor every time you brake. When rust locks them in place, one pad drags constantly against the rotor, chewing through pad material and sometimes damaging the rotor itself. During a brake job, pull the slide pins, clean off the surface rust, and apply a light coat of WD-40 before reinserting them, then work them in and out a few times to spread it evenly. Here's the kicker, and this is the big one. Catching this early with a $2 can of WD-40 stops uneven pad wear before it happens. Ignore it, and you're looking at premature pad replacement around $150, a warped or scored rotor at $200 to $400 more, and in bad cases, caliper replacement pushing the total repair past $600 to $800 on one axle alone. That's how a $5 can of WD-40 quite literally saves you thousands. So there you have it, 12 WD-40 tricks that can genuinely save you from repair bills most drivers never see coming. Which of these did you already know about? Drop the number in the comments and let us know. And if you want more videos like this one, packed with simple car tips that save you real money, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.